This is my breadboard for 2.1.6 AOI logic design majority vote. So we have switch 1 here, which is president, vice president for switch 2, secretary for switch 3, and switch 4 is treasurer. So we have 000, 0001, 0010 right there, 0011, 0100, 0101, 0111, 1000, yeah, 1001, 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110, 1111. And it works. All right, thank you.